NARANG RIMS ta HOUDOKKHIBA NUMIT humni CHUPNA CHATHAGADABA SWACHHTA student camp ki ngasi NINI CHANBA NUMIT climate activist Licipriya Kangujam na Akoibagi Phivam Ngak Sennaba Maheiroi Shing da appeal Toukhre. Ngasi RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da pangthokkiba SWACHHTA students camp ki NINI CHANBA numita tongan pathoram sing pangthokki maduda expert session oina waste management and segregation and climate change amade how young minds can contribute to a healthier society haiba theme ki matangda panel discussion pangthokki. Haiba discussion sing aduda hawalagliba naha singna hauzik oiriba environment ki singnaba kayagi matangda puthokki loinena plastic free society haiba theme gi makada poster amasung slogan writing competition amaso pangthokki tharamadu saru yakibe climate activist Licipriya Kangujam na hai climate change na pirakliba makhal makha kayagi chaithing asi thengnanaba aikoi puna thabak tauminaba matautai maseng manga naiba amasung tungi aphaba punsi mahing ama sembada hawgalakliba naha singe thaudang chawi Akoibagi Phivam Ngak Sennaba gi thaurang asi thinthadana paikhatpagi tangai fadaba chauna lei tungda hawrakliba mirol amadi afaba malem ama ohenaba thaurang kaya puthokpa mathautai haina Licipriya na makha taki.
Our fourth main demand to end the era of fossil fuels. Now, fossil fuels fossil fuels coal, oil, and gas. Fossil fuels planet environment climate change face fossil fuels the main reason behind climate change is fossil fuels. Although in a kind of fight rich nations fossil fuels complete face out our governments must work together to manage a just transition away from coal, oil, and gas, the top causes of today's global climate crisis. Adumana, I give five last demand, last but not the least, climate finance, climate ki paisa. Rich nations, countries nations. We are responsible for the climate crisis that we're facing. Climate change, climate crisis face low responsible low in it. Other responsibility though, logo